Imagine a world where manufacturing is seamless, efficient, and error-free. Welcome to the future of electronics manufacturing with RFID. In the competitive realm of automotive parts production, efficiency is paramount. This US-based EMS provider faced substantial challenges with high order volumes and tight lead times. Traditional paper-based work orders and manual barcode scanning hindered productivity, leading to delays and errors. The pain points were clear. WIP tracking was a nightmare. Records often vanished during handovers, causing bottlenecks. Work order errors skyrocketed, with skipped steps and redundant operations. Machine maintenance was mostly reactive due to insufficient data. Supervisors struggled with low operational visibility on the shop floor. To tackle these issues, the factory partnered with Punji. They implemented advanced MyFair RFID modules integrated with a manufacturing execution system, allowing for seamless connections to ERP systems. Here's how it worked. Every work order and WIP pallet received an RFID tag, eliminating loss. RFID readers at each workstation automatically logged work orders as they moved through the process. Machines sported RFID cards, enabling technicians to easily log maintenance activities. Real-time data integration in the MES ensured that supervisors could monitor progress via dashboards. The results were remarkable. WIP tracking efficiency surged, ensuring smooth workflow continuity. Work order errors diminished significantly, reducing the need for rework. Unplanned downtimes dwindled with accurate maintenance scheduling. Supervisors gained real-time insights to adjust schedules swiftly. But that's not all. RFID also provided extended benefits: enhanced quality traceability, data-driven decision-making, operator accountability, and flexibility in work order systems to meet diverse customer needs. As a global trend, smart manufacturing is evolving rapidly. In Latin America, it's projected to grow at a CAGR of 13%. Mexico stands out as a prime location for automotive parts manufacturing, yet many factories still cling to outdated barcode systems, highlighting immense growth potential for RFID. You may wonder, does RFID need to fully replace barcodes? The answer is no, it can complement them during the transition. Can RFID systems integrate with existing MES? Absolutely. Punji's modules support various protocols. Beyond work order and WIP management, RFID is versatile enough for machine maintenance, warehousing, and tool management, paving the way for a comprehensive smart factory. Keep in mind, outcomes can vary based on factory size and processes. The improvements in our case study are a reference to guide your journey toward efficiency. Take the leap towards smarter manufacturing today. Embrace RFID technology and transform your production capabilities.